Hello guys, welcome to our channel Logic Ka Char, and today we are going to understand the repository question which is always asked in Red Hat examination. Do you know that? If you don't know, today you will come to know that, because this is one of the important question after networking, because you have to set up that repo so that you can download the packages. I mean to say that services like sttpd or cronid, any packages you will download that is related to this one. If you're not able to set up this, then might you will not able to download that. Are you getting what I mean to say? So today I will show you the question, how the question is asked, and what you have to do in the examination. We will perform on the terminal, guys, because practical is something which make me to understand, guys. So without wasting time, let's get started. First understand the question, then go back to our terminal to solve this question. Are you ready, guys? Then let's go back to. So guys, this is the question which I'm showing you. This is the question, the Red Hat repository question, which is related to a repo. Now in this question, you have given two links. Link might be different in the examination, but what I will do today, that you have to do in your examination. That's all. Only link will going to change. Huh? Remember, only link will going to change, and everything will be same as I am doing today. So let's get back to our terminal to kill this question. Now guys, I have just opened my PowerShell. I will just do SSH and log into my terminal. That's it. Yeah, that's all. Password. Now just I have logged into my terminal. So I will do sudo -i so that I can switch to my root. Just entering the password. Now I am on my root control node. So basically only one configuration we have to do for the repo, because we have to just set up the repo, and everything can be installed through that repo, because in examination they will provide you a local repo link. To tackle that, just cd/etc/yum.repo, yum.repo.d. Just remember that. Just I will do ls list Red Hat repo is already there. If you want to make, so you can name anything. I will just vim demo.repo. Extension must be repo. See, in above here you see the Red Hat .repo. So while giving name to your repo, your file name must be anything, but dot extension must be .repo. So demo.repo. That's all. Just hit enter. I'm inside. Press I so that you can insert. Now there we go. BaseOS. Here also you can give any name. It doesn't matter at all. Name. You can write any name. Like I am writing. So yes. Base URL. Base URL, that is the URL you have to write here. Write properly. You have to mention URL properly, because here is the chance of getting failed while downloading the repo or while downloading the packages. So be careful. So link here I have. So I just need to copy that. In examination you have to type all these, but here for the saving your time and my time, I will just copy and paste. So this is what I did. Now GPG check. Here we don't have to check any security, so we will do 0. and enabled. To make repository active, we have to enable equals 1. Enabled, sorry, enabled equals 1. That's all about base OS. Now two links we have. So one is above in base OS, another will you have to put in whatever the name you will give. I will just uh, default name, which is AppStream. You find everywhere this default. So here name I will put, so yes, and base URL can be, I will just copy paste here. I will change that app stream. That's all. GPG check equal 0 and enabled active. Make your repo active. Enabled 1. Now just escape colon WQ. WQ will save your repo. Now I will do just ls. There we go. You can see here demo.repo, redhat.repo. So demo.repo is our repo. Yum repo list, so that you can see your repo, which is AppStream here. So yes, BaseOS. So yes, this is how we have configured our repo. If I if I'm going to install something, it will not going to install any packages, because the link which I have included in my repo is not the working. So remember, this is the way how you have to do in the examination. That's all. So we will meet in next video. Till then, goodbye. Yeah, before going, please do subscribe, like, and share my channel to your friends.